Looking to quickly load money onto your Cash App account? In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to add funds using your debit card so you can start sending, spending, or investing right away. Cash App works just like Venmo or PayPal. It lets you send and receive money instantly, split bills with friends, and even pay at stores. But first, you'll need to make sure you have money in your Cash App balance. The easiest way to do that is by linking your bank debit card. Here's how. Open the Cash App on your phone. If you don't have it yet, I've left a download link in the description so you can grab it. Once you're in the app, tap the bank icon in the bottom left corner of the home screen. This opens your balance and bank settings. Now tap Add Cash. You can pick one of the quick amounts on the screen or tap the three dots to enter your own custom amount. Once you've chosen the amount you want to add, tap Add Cash at the bottom. If this is your first time, Cash App will prompt you to link a debit card. Simply enter your card number, expiration date, CVV code, and the ZIP code linked to your bank account. You'll also need to verify your identity by entering your legal name, date of birth, and the last four digits of your social security number. This keeps your account secure. After you finish, Cash App will instantly pull the money from your debit card into your balance. No waiting, no fees. You can immediately use that money to send to friends, make purchases, or even buy Bitcoin right inside the app. And that's it. Super simple, super fast. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Cash App tutorials. I've also left helpful links and resources, including the app download link, right below this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.